What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out at the Nike outlets again. Let's go see what we find. At the Citadel, man, got here at 10:30. Had some work to do this morning, so unfortunately I couldn't make it here early. Look at the line. Look at the line. Oh my goodness. Holy crap, man. We are back to lines everywhere. Damn. All right, it is Sunday, probably one of the worst days to go to the Nike outlets, and now I'm wasting time in line. Oh well, all right, let's see what happens. All right, 13-minute wait, 13 minutes, and look at the line. Oh my goodness, look at the line. Oh wow. All right, I'm glad I didn't bring my gift card because I don't have time to wait 45 minutes in line. All right, you got 20% off the heat wall, that's what's going on. And I think it's friends and family too. People have been getting cards. I have not gotten any cards from anybody. But yeah, let's look around, see what they got. Smaller sizes. We've been seeing a ton of these LeBrons, 8.5, go for $80. Oh my goodness, you get 20% off, and then if you have a friends and family, use that. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits go for $180. What are these right here? The Air Deldens? Never even seen that before. Okay. Retail, I guess. Heard Kyries are hella cheap right now. Not here. Moving up to the 9s. Got some Hirachis right here. The Craters go for $90. Ton of these all go for $80. And the 9.5s with these LeBrons go for with the busted box. $170. Okay. 9.5. Got LeBron Witness 6s go for $95. We saw these at the clearance store. Not many sizes though. Some go for $40. Integral Run Flyknits go for the full 180 size 9. Phantom React Flyknits go for $80. The 10.5s, I guess everybody started their holiday shopping, I guess. Terra Tigers go for $70. We got some Air Forces. Air Forces. These are size 11 though, $130. Looks like it's a shark out of water right there, or with the fin out of water. Never seen that before. Okay. They're coming out with so many specific ones. I'm gonna be honest, it's hard to keep track. But yeah, just going for the retail. One of the better colorways of the the regular 270s, $120 for those. That's size 11.5. Witness 5s go for $70. That's a size 9 though. Air Max 90 all white, size 12 go for $90. Damn, if they had a size 12, I might have to see if they have a size 11. I was about to check the Nike app. Wait, I can't wait in line. I can't afford to wait in line. I have to go back to work in a few minutes. Size 10, do got these, 170, 175 for these, size 10. Jordan 36s. Oh, these are the lows too. I do work on Sundays here and there. Depends, you know, kind of depends on my schedule. Air Max 95, go for 140. Size 12, the Air Max 97 Terra Escapes go for 115. Air Force Ones, size 8 go for 100 with the gum bottom. This is their heat wall. I don't believe you get a discount. Do got these Jordan 2s if you have like one of those friends and family cards. I haven't gotten any, so I don't even know all the details. I think it's this weekend though. But yeah, there's 30% off if you're able to get one of those cards from one of the workers. And I think they did that because, you know, when they had it on the app, what would happen is people would have 20 different accounts. They'd have 20 to 50 different 20% off or 30% off friends and family coupons. So I think they went back to actually having cards, but the only people I've seen with them are the resellers. I think they've been buying the cards off the workers or something. But it is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, they got the Jordan 2s. This is a collab too, right? Materials is hella nice on this. It is full price, so $2. This is a 10.5 my size. I'm just not paying full price for stuff right now, unless it's like something like super rare and something that I do have to have. The shoot, I forgot to say it. Hui Romarachi or something. Oh, it's a B grade. That's actually a B on there. Ooh, that's surprising. They still want regular price. They got the 11 low IEs, got the 12 lows right here. Checking out some of the bigger sizes. This is size 12 all the way to biggest size, usually 15. I was like, are those the pine greens? No, they're not. Jordan Access right there. Infinity Run React Flyknit 2s, size 11 go for $130. Pegasus 37s. Oh, these are going for $60 size 12 right here. Maybe that one's not. Maybe that one's not updated. Look, that one's going for 50. That's 11 and a half. Ton of these. The size 12 go for 80. Not seeing too much variety, to be really honest. Immortalities going for $50. 270s right here go for 120. Size 14 Infinity Run Flyknits. Dude, I'm gonna be honest, there's just not much. Dude, got the LeBrons right there in that Jordan box. That's hella big though. All right, we're gonna check out the aisles. This is the line. So the line goes around there, goes around, goes all the way to the end right there. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, this line is just insane. All right, let's go check out the aisles, see what's going on here. All right, do got a bunch of generic stuff. Also got Jordan Hydro 6s going for $30. They were trying to get 45 for these a while back. These are not bad. They do have like some arch support in them. Like I do have a pair of these. They're not bad. They're not bad. Not great though. Do have clearance apparel, 20% off all of these. Bruins long sleeve shirt going for 50, down from 55. Come on now, really? Size small. Niners shirt, size small, down to 40 from 50. We got the Vamos Rams. What's that going for? Down to $20. Okay. These are all smalls. Oh wait, that's a large. Okay. Do have a Luca hoodie right here. This is a XL down to $50. Normally $75. This logo on the back as well. Large Nike hoodie. Kind of interesting. Like, oh, there's like mesh stuff on the front. What the hell is that? $50 or $45 down to from 90. That's a large. Got some super bright fleece Nike jackets. These are XLs. These are down to what? Oh, they're not even down. They're 130 down to 130. They got some off-season shorts on sale or something. These are the Jordan ones. Ooh, okay, these are the nice ones. I do like these. Super thick, little short though, dude. Little short. Yeah, come on now. The price is $25, so they are on sale because you get another 20% off. So that drops that down to what? $20? 20 bucks. 45 down to 20. They do have a lot of shorts, but it's just like mediocre stuff. Nothing that stands out, to be really honest. Man. All right, I think this is gonna be a shorter vlog, you guys. Shorter vlog. I really do not want to stand in that line. Oh, I do want to go to Reebok. Let's go to Reebok. Let's go there. One of the workers just told me before they opened, the line was all the way to Adidas, which is holy crap. All right, let's go check out Reebok, man. That's crazy. Yowzers. Even New Balance got a line? Man, things gonna change for New Balance. Good for y'all. Reebok, still no line. And I do see a lot of sale signs. Sale signs. That's what's up. 50% off even on their latest colorways, like the newer ones. That's what's up. $80 for those. Also got these on sale. I think this is the latest colorway too. This one got some rough sweat, man. Oh man, that feels thin as hell. Oh man, that looks awful. That feels awful. The bunk leather feels all right, but that part, awful. Got a couple sizes left. These, I'm just not digging these at all, but they're on sale. And the last Iverson here, don't see any Omnis or anything. They actually have some decent sizes left in these. What, 10 and a half all the way to 14, or 10 to 14. And then these, they got plenty of sizes on these, up to size what? Size 13, that's it. Checking the clearance section, not too much, just kind of the older stuff or stuff that like people aren't really too hyped about. I don't even know the names of most of these. I don't think most of y'all either. Do got these Club C's, wool Club C's right there. Those are down to 65 size 11. I don't even see many size 10. Oh wait, oh man, these are the Insta Pump Furies. They fooled me with the box. Damn, dude. And then I just realized I didn't show you guys what I'm wearing. Back starting today, so I did wear some comfy sneakers because I think that helps. Pegasus Turbos, super comfy. One of my most comfy sneakers. Not as comfy as those freaking Alphafly Next Percents. That one has like bigger stack of Zoom X on the back. But yeah, these are comfy as hell though. Then it is game day Sunday, so I did dress up in dress up. I did wear my Niners jersey, George Kittle jersey. Unfortunately, I don't know. Well, hopefully I can go see the game. We'll see what happens. We'll see how that, man. I got stuff to do, man. And I love being a football fan. I'm like super passionate about football, but man, when you got a ton of stuff to do, you got a ton of stuff to do, man. Man. I don't think I have any YouTube videos for this week. Like, man, I got stuff to do, man. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, let's go Niners. All right, guys. Yeah, I went to a couple night outlets this past weekend or this Sunday, and it was kind of underwhelming. It's fantastic if you have some friends and family gift cards or friends and family cards. If you have some of those, pretty dope. But if you don't have one, sales kind of mediocre. You know, they give 20%, which is dope. The fact that they give 20% in the back, because we've had friends and family where they don't give any discounts. So you just buy stuff in the aisles, or you know, unless you find something really dope. You know, it is what it is. You know, for some of you, totally worth it. Some of us who don't have cards, you know, it is what it is. I'm not really trying to buy anything crazy, anyways, just because the Alma Maniere is coming out this Thursday. I forgot about that, and then the Jordan 1's coming out this Saturday. So I'm hoping to pick up both. We'll see. I doubt it. I don't know. The Alma Maniere 4s, I just think it's going to be tough. I've gotten lucky with all the other Alma Maniere releases in the past, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, it is definitely an interesting time. Some of the retail shops we visited, you know, you guys saw it on my video yesterday. Saw the Foot Locker, and they had stuff cheaper than the outlets. Kyrie's, we're seeing those cheap at the retail shops. I heard they went back up. So hopefully you guys were quick. I did try to get that info to you guys as soon as possible, so hopefully you guys were able to take advantage of that. But definitely an interesting time in sneakers right now. Hope you guys aren't throwing all this stuff on your credit card, because like I said, make sure you guys take care of business and don't go into debt over sneakers, man. They are just sneakers. They're dope as hell. Don't get me wrong, they're dope as hell. Like, you see my background, it's dumb, but you definitely don't want to go in debt, and you want to, you know, take care of your business. So hopefully we have a good week. Hopefully most of you guys out there, hopefully we have a good week. I think I'm gonna have a separate video on the Jordan 1s. People are kind of going crazy over these, and it's gonna take a lot of work during the week to hopefully get a pair. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I got plenty of things coming. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Yeah, hopefully you guys are able to grab some dubs this week. But yeah, make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty of videos coming. Hopefully I can get this Jordan 1 video out to you guys ASAP, because raffle day is tomorrow. So yeah, good luck, you guys. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.